How to change page to landscape in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can change a page orientations from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank presentation or A4 size, like A4 size. Okay, you can see this is portrait A4 size. I just take it. Okay, now let me write something on it to show you how it is look when you make it landscape. Okay, so here just select that page. I have only one page here, so I just select that page and just right click on go to the resize, or you can simply click on this resize options. Now just scroll down and go to the customs. Okay, so now this we have size. Go to the custom and we have size like width 21 centimeter and height is 29.7 centimeter. Okay, so here we have the three size, which is portrait, square and landscape. So we need to just select the landscape, and you can copy and resize or resize this design. You can overwrite this on this design, or you can copy and resize the design. Here you can keep your original design and copy and resize the another design, resize with the another page. Okay, just click on it to save your original page. Now open it. So now this is your original page and this is your landscape page, you can see. Okay, so this is 75% zoom, this is 81%, 100% zoom. Okay, if you want, if you think this is a not this is if you think this size is not what you're looking for, you can go to the resize again, go to the custom, and you can change the width or column height. Okay, from here, like if you want to change height, you can make it like 15 and change width like 20. Okay, now you can just resize this design, so it will be resized. Okay, so it is zoom. That is how you can make to landscape in Canva. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.